The BBC clearly works with an anti-India agenda. And it focused mostly on publishing the negative side of India. This fact came to be true on a number of occasions. It highlight and exaggerate problems in the country. There are a number of cases in which it shows its biased side, like negative portrayal of Indian armed forces in Jammu and Kashmir. BBC had, on at least one occasion, fabricated photographs while reporting on the Kashmir conflict to make India look bad. And soon after the revocation of Jammu and Kashmir's special constitutional status on the 5th of August, several foreign media outlets such as the BBC, The Washington Post, and others reported on the tense situation involving Jammu and Kashmir's detentions in the region and protest by Kashmiris. On 2015, the BBC accused India for funding Muttahida Qawmi Movement, a Pakistani political party headed by Altaf Hussain, who is naturalized British citizen. Portrayal of terrorist as gunmen and not terrorist during 26/11's Mumbai terror attacks. Former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, also banned BBC in the country for 2 years during 1970s for derogatory reporting. Even during 1965 war it was shut down for doing pro-Pakistani reporting. Indian Twitter users were calling for ban on British public service broadcaster BBC for allegedly showing misleading news reports. Specifically for pertaining to Hindus and Muslims and the sensitive issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Now the most latest topic of BBC is Subramanian Swamy's Muslims not equal comments. BJP leader Ram Madhav recently faced intense grilling from a BBC presenter. On a host of issues, including Subramanian Swamy's Muslims not equal comments, Kapil Mishra's communal tweets, and Home Minister Amit Shah's termites jibe, aimed at Muslim immigrants from Bangladesh. Madhav rejected the allegations that the BJP government headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi had used the coronavirus pandemic lockdown to go after the Muslim community.
Last month, the BJP MP Subramanian Swamy said, Muslims, if they become anything like 30% of our population, will be a danger to the country. Muslims, he said, are not in an equal category. This is the language of pure discrimination, and it is coming from senior figures in your party.
Okay, now I have not directly seen the statement. I take it that what you are saying is true, but you be careful. If it is not true, you will be sued by Dr. Swamy. Having said it, we do not, as I said, we do not approve of any such sentiments, any such statements. India is a democratic country. People make their statements, but as a party and as a government, we shall not approve of any such statements targeted at any community or any religion.
But again,
this prompted the BBC host to tell Madhav that he was living in a parallel universe of his own. The debate can be traced back to an earlier Vice interview that the BJP leader gave to Isabel Young. A short clip from the video was published on their YouTube channel and has since been widely shared. Others contend that it may have been a heavily edited clip, and as such, the comments may have been taken out of context. Earlier too, Swamy had taken to Twitter stating that he was being misquoted. While criticizing the fake news brigade, he had said that one fake quote is that I had declared Muslims are not equal to Hindus under Article 14. But what exactly did Swamy say in the Vice clip? So Article 14 of the Constitution of India says that state shall not deny to any person equality before the law, or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. Both of these differ subjectively. Equality before law means that no one is above the law of the land, thus it has slightly negative connotation. It means that law does not discriminate on the basis of birth, position, gender or other personal attributes. Thus, privileged, underprivileged and unprivileged are equal before law. Equal protection of law means that law provides equal opportunities to all those who are in similar circumstances or situations. This concept is slightly positive in connotation. Both equality before law and equal protection of law aim to establish the equality of status and opportunity, as embodied in the preamble of the Constitution. Further, because all persons are not by nature, attainment or Circumstances in the same positions. Article 14 provides that state can treat different persons indifferently if circumstances justify such treatment. This is called doctrine of reasonable classification, and it says that protective discrimination is also a facet of equality.
India.
No, your message to the world is quite clear, that you make a distinct category for Muslim people. In this case, it is a question of people who come from neighboring states into India. You give the rights to non-Muslims to a fast track to citizenship, a right which you specifically and explicitly deny.
Sometimes if some people talk about Tablighi Jamaat, please don't take it that they are talking about the entire Muslim community. Within the Muslim community.
So it is possible that Swamy's interview was misquoted, or maybe misunderstood by BBC News. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel World Affairs for more updates.